momentum is what the photon, I could say, is rather than has. This going aroundness. Remember, the photon, the light spark right at the beginning, is the thing that makes everything there is happen. Just not only the interchange between particles, but the creation of the particles themselves. For moreover, as light, it's the aha experience, so it's the virgin birth too. So it's very important to know what it is. And there I run into the risk of some formulas, but I'm going to just override any damn the torpedoes, full speed ahead. I'll just give you this formula because, and it's not all that bad. People talk about energy. I want to share my energy, or I'm feeling, or something, or spiritual energy. It isn't really energy, I think, that counts. It's the, you might say it, a relative of energy, but in any case it's action. I think I did say that Planck's discovery at the beginning of the century was that radiation came in quanta, these jumps, lumps, and they're units of angular momentum. Well, what's angular momentum? Momentum is that which a moving body has. I mean, the momentum would break the glass. It causes things to happen in this linear way. A car hits a telegraph pole and kills all the passengers. But when the momentum of the telegraph pole or the tree, that's not quite right. The momentum of the car hitting the tree depends on the velocity. The faster it is, and it also depends on the mass. So if you were going to transfer energy by that method, you'd have to depend on variable speed. Bullets, for instance. But light, this photon, does it in varying amounts, but always at the same speed. So you can't make the momentum of the light depend on the speed. This ordinary linear momentum does, because it's mass times velocity. The light momentum is of a different nature. It's angular momentum, which is ml squared over t. It's the same as this, except multiplied by L. That's equal to mv times L. What is this other L? It's the radius of this circle. Remember I said the moon going around the Earth? Well, that radius is this L. It's as though you took this momentum and put it in a box, and then you could handle this box irrespective of the velocity. You could just pass it around. It doesn't depend on its viciousness. It's just there as a sort of present in the box for you to take out at your leisure. That is the thing that makes things alive. That is the thing that makes things choose. And it can be very minute, as the quantum of action is, but it can control. And the reason it can control is because it's going around and has choice of that direction.